Knowing how to create a landing page is only half the solution. The other half is taking great examples and using them as inspiration for your landing page. Here's some great examples of landing pages that you can use for inspiration. Our first example is by Dirk Erkin, and he teaches a masterclass on how to paint. Not only does he include the sign-up form, obviously, to sign up for his classes, but gives you a little taste of what you'll discover and what you, too, can create by taking his class. The Intrepid Guide landing page is a great example of using a value-driven headline. Unlock 500 plus Italian phrases with my Italian menu ebook for free. And they use the word free not only in the headline, but also in the sign-up form itself. Really powerful action word. Norton has a great landing page if you're looking to sell a product. It's a great example because at first the product's offered for its price, $49.99, but you still do have the option to sign up for the free version. But notice how the priced version is situated more towards the center and the left, so it's the first thing people see as they're scrolling through the page. Office Ladies has a great podcast and their landing page shows it off. If you're running a podcast of your own, landing pages are a really powerful tool to give people an excerpt or even a full episode to give them a taste of what they can see if they sign up for the full podcast. The Weight Loss Academy changes things up a bit, and I like it with their headline and then their call to action. There's the headline, the call to action, and the price, and then below that they give you a little bit more information if you're still not convinced. And our final example, WordStream, is a great example of a lead magnet page where you're giving away something for free. It could be an ebook, PDF, any kind of download, but you're just asking people to enter in some information first. When building your landing page in Aweber, you can choose from different categories of templates. One thing to consider when designing your page or picking a template is have your end goal in mind. Your page should basically be built around your call to action. For example, if you're running a weekly course, we have a weekly course template, and it's designed so that there's a beneficial headline and that people can sign up for your weekly course. Or maybe you're running a kind of subscription service. In this case, this template deals with a donation subscription service, but can easily be tailored for any type of subscription service. Or maybe you have an event that you want people to register for. It's a great use for a landing page, and we've got an event registration with a sign-up form built-in template ready for you. And finally, you just might be looking for a simple sign-up form to build your email list. Well, we've got that as well. Just again, some things to remember when you're building your landing page. Write a benefit-focused headline. Make sure people understand why they should sign up or complete your call to action on your landing page. And when you're doing that, remember to only ask your visitors to do one thing on your landing page. Landing pages are a great thing for somebody who just wants to accomplish one task. Don't have a bunch of different calls to action on your page. And finally, no site navigation. Just like I said before, landing pages are to get people to take that one specific action. Don't let them jump over to other parts of your website to check things out. Focus on that one CTA. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on any of our new email or small business marketing content. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And if you're not a customer yet, click here. It's absolutely free to start building your business with Aweber. Check out some of the other videos in our channel and let us help you reach your audience and grow your business.